Hi everyone! Welcome to Imi's Kitchen. Today, let's make bread. This kind of bread is so cheesy inside and outside. I'm sure you will like it. So, let's get started. And then water. And then the fresh yeast. And also sugar. Let us dissolve the fresh yeast. Tablespoon of oil. And then 500 grams flour. We mix it. Salt, fine salt. 8 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt. So let it rest for about 3 minutes if you don't like to knead it at once because it's sticky, too sticky. So cover it and let it rest for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let us knead the wet flour. Okay. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until it achieves a smooth texture. Grease it with oil and then let the dough rest for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubled its size.
So here is the dough, and now I'm going to divide it. Now it's ready to divide. Okay. I'll divide it into 3. And then I'll form each into a ball. I think this is a little bigger. I add to this. Okay. So this is the first, the next. The other one.
So these are my grated cheese. This is feta cheese and this is Scamorza cheese. Fill the center of the flattened dough with shredded cheese. Then close the dough by sticking together all the edges. Then flatten it again. Do it gently so as not to burst the cheese inside the dough. Transfer it directly into the oven tray. Do the same procedure on the other pieces of dough. Crack 2 eggs and then beat it. Brush the egg wash on each flattened dough. Put some shredded cheese on top of it. In a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it reaches golden brown in color.